So basically in this video, we are going to see how I've created the hospital API project, and we will test it out, and I will show you my documentation also. As you see that I have already started the server. If I go to browser, if I go to your, it will show me two things. If I am hosting locally, then I can go to this link. If I have already hosted on Render, I can go to this link. If I go there, I can see all the documentation of the REST API which I have created. Uh, let let us test the APIs one by one. First will be the register doctor. In this one, if I click on send, this doctor is already exist. If I click on send, it will show me that the username of this doctor is already registered. I need to change the username. If I change it to something else, it's so the message that doctor registered, and this is the doctor data. So we have registered the doctor. Let's log in with the same credentials. We will copy the username. For these two, we don't need any JWT authentication. We'll check it out on the next one. We have also hashed the password so that the password is not visible to anyone. If we send it, we will receive the JWT token. If we enter wrong password and or username, it will show as invalid credentials. We have used all the validation you can see in this in the Git repository. We'll copy the JWT token, and then the doctor will register the patient. So for that, we will first set the authorization headers. I click on this, then we need to send the patient name. If patient already exists, it will show different messages. We will see. Let me show you first. That it will say that the mobile number of the patient is already exist. So we'll click on patient free, and we will change the user. We have used validation, so you need to give the proper phone number. Otherwise, it will show error. So here the patient has been registered. Now the doctor will create for the patient register patient and create patient report. JWT auth will be required because doctor will going to register the patient, and as well as doctor will going to be creating the report of the patient. I click. We can give only 4 types of status which are mentioned over the code, and we have used proper validation also. Let's keep it negative also. Hence, we get the all the reports of the report of the patient, given patient. We need to mention the ID of the that patient also. We'll see all the thing in the MongoDB also. If I want to know the report of the particular patient, I can click on go to this URL using GET request. I need to mention the ID of that patient. No authentication needed. If I click on it, there are total 3 reports of this patient with date and time, and which one is the latest we can know from here. These are in ascending order, so we can check it out over here. Now, the last one is the filtering product based on the status. If I pass it negative, will show all the reports which are there. See, there are only 2 reports with the negative one. And now I will show you the database part. In the database, we are having too many of user and patient. We have only single database for the doctor as well as patient, and for the report, the single one. So this is type 1.